Welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll be painting the Ninja Turtles that you saw in the thumbnail on a canvas. It was a really fun canvas to paint. I was commissioned to do this one from a friend who's been very supportive in my adventures to become a full-time artist and a content creator here on YouTube. So I was really happy to do this one for him. I found a lot of cool 80s music. I'm a big 80s fan, obviously born in the 80s, and love the Ninja Turtles. So I'm going to play some of that music for you guys while I paint this thing. Hope you guys enjoy it, and I'm about to get started. I'll see you at the end. that's it. You made it to the end of the video. I really appreciate you sticking it out and watching me paint this amazing Ninja Turtle canvas. Like I said, it's one of my favorite pieces that I've done. When I finished it, I really didn't want to give it away, but you know, it's paid for. You have to do what you have to do. If you guys are interested in picking up a print of that, I do have a link down below where you can actually purchase yourself 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, however many you want. It's up to you. Any purchase you make, of course, would be highly appreciated. Alright, so it's about time to check out. If you guys are new to this channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you're interested in seeing more superhero inspired DIYs and paintings like this, because there are plenty more to come. Also, dinging that notification bell will let YouTube know that you want an update when I put out my next video, so make sure you do that. And also, if you will, comment below, let me know what you thought of this video and who is your favorite Ninja Turtle. If you guys don't know already, my favorite Ninja Turtle, the guy I rock with, is always going to be Leonardo. Alright guys, that'll do it for this one. I'm heading out. And like always, I'll catch you on the next one.
Heroes in a half shell, turtle power.